Okay, my second attempt making this video. Greg from Clearwater 124, and the 52 Sedan Delivery is complete. And the hand-painted driver inside is one that I printed and painted up. The scratch-built brass chassis. Tall gauge urethane tires. Predator motor. No magnets. Let's see how it runs. A little refreshment first. Okay, here we go. Not too bad. Try the other lane. I did this the other night, recorded the whole video, went to upload it, and there was no sound. So I'll be happy if there's sound tonight. Floyd just showed up to check things out. He doesn't get up on the table anymore. One of the kids ran into him face on. I think he got a fat lip. But he doesn't get up on the table anymore when the cars are running. He does if nobody's running. Have a snooze, knock some shit over. Whoa, baby. It runs pretty good for a big old whoop. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Oh, bumper, gone. Caught on the garage. We will need some repair. Not a big deal. they're meant to be run, right? So anyways, there it is. 52 Sedan Delivery. Chevrolet. Fun to build it was. Runs really good. See you next time. Thanks, fellas.